Hey everyone, Ken here with Ken's Creations and Product Reviews. Today I'm back with another Arteza or Arteza's unboxing. Today we're going to be looking at everything paint. Now I bought 3 specific items of paints, but I also want to remember if you choose to purchase something, make sure to use the links down below and our coupon code. That exclusive coupon code gets you 10% off your entire purchase. So make sure to use that. Let's first take a look at the acrylic premium artist paint set. This is 60 colors and let's open the box and see what they look like. This set offers a whopping 60 colors. It's easy to squeeze tubes so you can get quick access with less mess. Rich and vibrant colors, high pigmentation for color that pops, and it truly does. Paint on practically anything used on any dry surface. Excellent light fastness, create fade resistant sharp designs that last. Now this is acrylic paint and it comes in almost every shade of the rainbow, so you can make some beautiful paintings. Now one thing I do like is these little trays it comes in. I know it's nothing special, but it is a great way to keep your paint organized. A little tip, make sure to squeeze from the bottom just like toothpaste, because I found it very easy to squeeze from the top and then you are wasting a lot of paint. So I was pretty impressed with this set because it does come with 60 colors. It has your color chart on the top. This stuff works pretty well. I used it a little bit in a live video and I have to say I'm pretty impressed with this paint for the price at just $36. Now, many of you know that I am with Chalk Couture, so I do a lot of home decor pieces, and I've struggled to find some outdoor paint that I like. Well, I found this 20 outdoor acrylic colors of premium paint. Now this offers 20 vibrant colors that create eye-catching designs with a unique selection of colors. It is high viscosity. Each color spreads smoothly over your surface of choice. You can use it indoors and outdoors, so this is perfect for painting on woods, rocks, canvases, paper, and more. And it's easy to use squeeze bottle. Protect your paint and make them easy to use and store. And yes, you can use this as your color pours, which is absolutely amazing. This was a great find and I was pleasantly surprised at this. The last thing that caught my eye were these set of 20 paint markers. Now, these are actual paint markers, not to be confused with chalk markers. These are a permanent marker. You can use them on multiple surfaces designed to paint on practically any surface, porous or non-porous. It is an oil-based paint. It will not fade over time and is suitable for outdoor use. Very quick drying, provide the quality of oil-based paint without the lengthy drying time, and they're really easy to use. You essentially just push on the tip, let the paint flow down. They do smell like paint, so keep that in mind, but extremely easy to use, and I could easily see me using this in paper crafting and or on poster art or things for outside. So this was a really good purchase, and they're only $20 for 20, making them about $1 a piece. Well, I know this was a quick look. We will be using all of these materials in future live videos. If you're interested in buying anything, make sure to use the links down below and our exclusive 10% off coupon code. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day.